this is Pearl and welcome to my channel. A lot of you ask me to share my recipes. To be honest, I don't make anything fancy nor am I the expert in cooking. However, I do believe in these times, making a warm home-cooked meal filled with love is much tastier than anything out there. And also, since I can't see my mom, it reminds me of my mother's love. Today, I will be making a super simple yet delicious kimchi fried rice. I'll be using my Thermomix, but fret not, I will also include the recipe for cooking over the stove. All the recipes will be in the description down below. I hope you really like this. Let's begin! First, prepare your kimchi. My mom bought this for me the day before the restricted movement began. I was so touched I nearly teared up a bit because my mom knows what I want the best. If your kimchi is in big chunks, do chop it up to smaller pieces. Besides that, do pour in some of the kimchi juice as you need it later. Prepare your frying pan. As you can see, my gas stove area is basically a pantry, so I shall get my Thermomix ready instead. Pour about a teaspoon of vegetable oil. I use sunflower oil here. Next, put in a cup of kimchi and stir fry it under speed 120 for 3 minutes, reverse spoon. For the gas, fry it with medium heat. Honestly, I prefer to play it by ear. When you hear a seasoning sound like this, that means it is done and you can proceed to the next step. Add in your rice. I didn't really measure it, I just kinda eyeball the amount for 2 people. You want to stir fry it until it is evenly coated with the kimchi. For Thermomix, put it on 5 minutes, speed 120 on reverse spoon. So the rice that I'm using was cooked this morning. The best kind of rice for fried rice is overnight rice, not the fresh type, because fresh rice are too moist. Pour in the kimchi juice. The amount should be about 2 tablespoons, but use what you have. This will add the extra flavoring of kimchi to the rice. For that vibrant red color in the kimchi fried rice, I add about 2 tablespoons of Korean gochujang. I bought mine in a Korean supermarket. The one that I got is medium hot. If you like something way spicy, get the intense hot type. Stir fry it for a bit longer until it is evenly spread with the gochujang and all those goodness. I do add a bit of water. This is just so that there's no rice sticking to the bottom of my pan. You can do that for both the stove and the Thermomix. Do stir your rice so that everything is evenly coated. I like my rice a bit more dry, so I'm gonna cook it a bit longer. Also, do listen out for the sizzling sound as well. Once you start hearing the sizzling sound, pour in about a tablespoon of sesame oil. Sesame oil is the essence of all Korean cooking. I love it so much. Basically, how I know that my kimchi fried rice is done is that I start smelling the aromatic kimchi fried rice scent, that strong sesame oil. And I love it so much because Bear tends to come out and say, "What's cooking?" And then I will say, "It's kimchi fried rice," and it's like all ready to eat, and that really put a smile on my face.
Sorry, I took a long nap. I'm sleeping late tonight, quite I didn't sleep. I was up very long already. So,
Take a slice of cheese out.
I'm gonna help you put away things. Actually, not even help you. Even if you don't put away things, I'll put away things. Sorry, baby. I know I haven't been so helpful, and you've been so nice to me. Don't disturb me. Let me play my game. So I need to be good.
It's all on thick. Do you want cheese?
For Me or you?
You.
You?
I don't want cheese.
You don't want cheese?
No.
Oh, you want make me?
Give me if you want.
I want. Wait, which one is my one?
This one.
Oh.
Oh.
Make it like a burger because then it melts.
That's what I'm doing. There is two ways to enjoy your kimchi fried rice. The first way I'm gonna show you is a more Western manner. You can put a slice of cheese and you put the kimchi rice like a burger. To top it off, you put in seaweed flakes to add some savory taste to it. The second way is a more oriental way. It's just eat it as it is. Eat the kimchi fried rice as it is. For me, I like to have a bit of protein to it, so I add 2 half-boiled eggs.
Eating time. Good. I haven't touched the cheese. Here's one with cheese.
I feel like I could add a bit more to the one. Oh, is it?
Good.
So guys, that's the kimchi fried rice. It's really simple. There's only a few ingredients. You can do it if you have kimchi and gochujang. And I don't know what more I can say. It's something simple, something to whip up. You don't really need a lot of skills. Oh yeah, so I definitely cook with Thermomix because I prefer it. I like using Thermomix. It's easy. But if you don't have Thermomix, so yes, I cook with my Thermomix. But if you don't have Thermomix, don't worry. You can definitely just go to the description down below. I kind of like write a recipe for normal cooking style as well. What's normal cooking style? Wok, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, with the wok and all. And a frying pan. It's super easy and super straightforward. It's basically the same, just I kind of converted it to Thermomix because I like using my Thermomix. So I guess that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. It's very simple. And I don't know whether this format of shooting is something you guys like. I hope you do. With that being said, I shall see you guys next time. Oh! Let me know what other recipes you would like to see, like noodles or more rice or more easy recipe, more Thermomix recipe. Tell me in the comments down below. Okay guys, bye. Stay safe